LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned we want to see whether the price can break 183.8 or not. As you can see, the price was consolidating and it dropped because we had a divergence. Even we mentioned about that. And right now, we want to see what's the next, whether this is the correction for continuation or this is the start of the down move. Mostly, we can expect the price to consolidate here, and we're more interested to look for buy. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. As we mentioned, based on daily chart, we want to see the continuation, right? We want to see whether the price can break 200 and 210 or not. This is what we explain. And if I move to forward chart, and right now we're looking at this one, we want to see whether we can get the correction similar to what we have here. That's mean if we get a running flat, it can give us really, confirmation for the price to continue. That's mean the best things is if this one turns to a deeper move. And how deep it can go, we want to be looking for somewhere within this zone, which is somewhere between 171 following by 167. Okay, that's why if this one turns to a deeper move, it can give us better confirmation for the next trade. Because if we move to 1 hour chart, even if the price reverse from here, from this correction, mostly we cannot get really good trade setup. That means if this one turn to similar to any of this, we cannot get a really good trade setup. Because if we want to look for trade, either having entry above this, which is not really good idea because of the gap, or we wait for the reversal as a short move flag. That's why for me, if I want to look for trade, I prefer this one turn to a deeper move. And if this one is going to turn to a deeper move, I'm expecting the price drop somewhere between 171 following by 167. Then any reversal from there, it can give me a better confirmation for continuation. Because in the bigger picture, we want to see whether we can look at this. We can expect the correction, the deeper correction we put in relative to this in the bigger picture. Okay. Anyway, right now we don't have any trade set up, and we want to see how deep it can go. We want to see whether the price can drop to this zone. Then from there we can look for the reversal or not. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. Even if the price reverse from here, mostly we can trade based on lower time frame. Based on 1 hour chart, we cannot get any trade setup unless we put our entry above the top. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.